This is Jim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reinstall deleted games on your Xbox One. So if you deleted something and you want to go and get it back, what we could do is press the Xbox button right here. Then go to My Games and Apps. Go to See All. Then we can go to Full Library. And at the top we can see all games, owned apps, etc. So we should be able to find the games just under here. You might have some games hidden for whatever reason, but we can scroll on through here, find the game that you deleted, and then you can go to it and re-download it. So there's Overwatch 2. That's kind of fun. We can go to it and then just go to install, and you can install it back onto your PlayStation or Xbox or wherever I'm teaching you about. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.